Okay, folks, this is a... Alright, what you're looking at is the location of a small railroad yard for the old Bangor. Oh, wow. That was a grouse right there. Yeah, this is our little railroad yard up in Lagrange. It was run by the Bangor and Aroostook Railroad. Doesn't look like much. Come back when I find something. Okay. Man, this is very surprising. There's not that much left. Oh. This is the tunnel. Oh, there. Besides the ties, there's some sort of building here. Oh. Yeah, tie plates. Some sort of, oh wow, this is probably, oh wow, round building. Or was it? What? Was this the turntable? This might have been the turntable. Huh. Might have been. Cool. There's a few things out here. Okay. Now, it doesn't look like much, but this is actually the middle of the old yard. And by the way, this is the only thing that's left is now, the snowmobile trail for the local snowmobile groups. But this is all that's left. And this is a spur yard that went down to Milford, that portion. So let's see if we can find. There's a yard in there someplace, an old railroad yard. See if we can find it. Then, according to this topographical map, this is the center of this little railroad yard. What do you think? Pile of old ties, maybe? Well, if there was a railroad yard here, boy, you can't see anything now. Okay, here it is right here. Is one of them. Yeah, there's the old ties right there. Sorry about the jingling. My belt keeps coming loose. It's a pretty crappy belt, but okay. So it just came from that direction right there, and let's see, the main area over there, and there you go, clinkers. So this is where the old steam engines would sit while they blew out their tanks. Clinkers, yeah. All this melted stuff. Yeah. All that old coal that was just used up. Yeah, so this is where the train's parked. And the engineers cleaned out their fireboxes. Clinkers. Funny, I thought this stuff was lava, but kind of looks like it. Nope, it's just old coal, old used up coal. Yeah, oh, so I don't know, maybe this might have been 2 lines or maybe just one little spur. But yeah, you have a big steam engine right here. And yeah, this is where they cleaned out their fireboxes, right here. So that's it. Okay, so this is the roundhouse. Boy, was I mistaken on that last one. That was just maybe a tower, but here, yeah, there is the roundhouse right here. And right over here, of course, you can picture the building, right? The building right here, the maintenance yards. So, all right, the workers could get underneath the trains to work on them. Yeah, so they had, yeah, huge. You can picture that. Like they had a big old turntable right there. Oh wow. It's an archaeological site here. Yeah, so that's what these are. That's where the engines were worked on. Right here. God, this how long ago, huh? I could probably find out someplace. Man, it's so freaking overgrown. And just think, yeah. All right, let's get down there and see if we can find the pivot. All right, I'm down inside the turntables, so I think it was right here because big old bolt right there. So this was, yep, and there's the other one right there. So there's the other one right there. So yeah, it was right here. Though it's buried. Their plant life. Cool. All right. Okay, can't see it because it's overgrown, but it's where that turntable was. On a huge beam. Big old bolt. This is all pretty rough cut beams here. And then I found this thing. The hell? Let's see. Window of some kind. Well, it's definitely some sort of door from probably an old Maine Central. What am I talking about? Maine Central. This is Bangor and Aroostook. Woohoo! Well, what do you expect? This place is overgrown. Alright. Alright, so there's the turntable. The maintenance barn's right over there. Oh boy. Hey there. Alright, we're going to see next is a portion of the old right-of-way. And hopefully there's going to be some of the remains of the bridge that used to go across the Penobscot. We'll see. We're getting pretty close. So this is the spur that... Well, I'll show you the map. Alright. See, at the river. Does this remind you of something? Does this remind you of something? Alright, we're here at the end. Oh, nice campsite. There you go. It's the old railroad bridge. Yep, you know, it's 19th century construction when they used the old granite blocks. Let's go down by the river. The beautiful river. Let's go down by the river. Flows by the town of Old Town. Yeah. There you go. Still standing. Of course, that's the Penobscot River. There you go. Bangor and Aroostook Railroad. Floods have taken that out. And that out. But yeah, this island out here is owned by the Penobscot Indian tribe. But from the map, it doesn't look like they do anything with it. It's just an empty island. I'll have to ask, because sometimes I pick up Indians in my taxi and take them to the reservation down there. So I'll have to ask, you know, what's this for? Okay, so that's it. This is Drew out here in Old Town and Lagrange. Finding an old railroad yard and remains of the old bridge. Yeah. Okay, see you in the next video, and happy hunting on whatever adventure you're going to do. Because I know you're inspired by these adventures to go out and do your own exploring. Because, heck, there's so much to go explore. Okay. Thanks a lot. See you at the next video. Stay tuned.